Hey everyone, welcome to the Captain Drone YouTube channel. Yes, this is an ugly Christmas sweater that my wife gave me, but I'm wearing it in this video. So the purpose of this video is to tell you that I am moving. I am moving from one house to another house in the middle of January, the year 2026. And the reason I'm moving is because my wife no longer likes this house. She wants to do a ton of renovations. It's going to take much too long and cost much too much. So I just said, let's just buy another house where all the renovations are done. So that means a big move for me in the month of January to move furniture from this house to another house. I have movers, and also I have to come back to this house and paint it and renovate it and get it ready for sale to put it on the market. So what does all of that mean for you, the viewer? Well, it means I'm going to be kind of busy and I will not be doing YouTube reviews for a few months. Now, I've known about this move since last October because that's pretty much when I bought my new house, and I arranged with all the companies that send me products as well as myself buying products. I decided that as of 1st of November, nobody should send me any products anymore that I have not agreed to. So every review you have watched so far in the month of November and December were agreed upon by me in the month of October with various companies, or I bought the products myself and had them ready to review. And as of today, I have 5 products remaining, so I have to review those as fast as I can, but I'm waiting for sunny weather, warm weather. We're not going to get warm weather in the winter, at least not that windy, not too much blowing snow anyways. So you will see Captain Drone reviews happening at least 5 more times. Now the good news is I should be finished my move, my home renovations, and this house should be on the market in February. So that means by March I should be back to doing video reviews in a new location, new house, new neighborhood, new everything. And I should also mention, some of you may have noticed this, if you email me directly, email to Captain Drone, my email address, I do not respond to your emails because I don't have the time. So don't email me anymore. But if you put a comment under a video that pertains to something you want to ask a question about, I usually answer those type of comments every morning when I have a coffee. So once again, videos will start up in March, and when you start watching them in March, everything should look different. This studio might look different because obviously I'm not in this house. The neighborhood I fly in is going to look different. The people yelling at me on the street are all going to be different because they're not used to Captain Drone flying RC products in their neighborhood, so that should be interesting. And of course, when I fly around my house like I like to do with drones indoors, it's going to look very different. So you're going to see all that in the month of March. So for now, I say have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I will see you sometime in 2026 with lots of new products. But remember, I still have 5 more products to review, so there's still 5 more Captain Drone videos to come. But for now, I say I hope you've all been good girls and boys, and Santa brings you something really nice for Christmas, something special in the RC hobby that you've wanted. And this brings me to the end of the video. Catch you in the next one. Bye!